How are you doing? Let's solve this problem. Do you see square root x is a common over here? Let's call it 1. Now let a equals root x, then would be x. Substitute this, we will get a square. It's 11. It's 10. Now expand it. We'll bring that 10 term over here on that side. See, we have a cubic, so we will try to factor it. For which we need a 10. So what are the possible factors of 10? 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 5 plus minus 10. Right? So we will take minus 1. Alright? We will try the minus 1 into the equation. Okay? Minus 1, minus 1, 10. Minus 1 plus 11 is 10. Right? So we will get this. So we know that the minus 1 is in the form of quadratic. Right? If we expand this, we will get this. Okay. Now we will solve that quadratic. For quadratic, we need the formula. Here equals minus 1. Right? So it's a coefficient. C is minus 10. Constant. C is minus 10. 2. We will take the only positive root. Okay. So now recall a x minus square root x. That would be x minus square. So we can write this like this: 1 plus square root 41 square, and now we the that is a plus b square. So now we will take the LCM. Solve. Gives you 40. Therefore, x minus square root x is 10. That's our answer.